put this here, and I want the next person to go when the last person has reached this point. I don't want you to stop each other. When we do these knee hugs now, I want us up with the arms, working in conjunction with the legs. Let's go.
I want you to get to the room so we don't rush each other. Good.
Go. Very nice. Go. Good.
High fives, please.
Go.
Through the line. Every box. Good.
Go.
Opposite arm, opposite leg.
Nice shot.
Oh, yeah. Opposite arm, opposite leg.
Nice shot.
Good.
Guys, ready? Watch me. Opposite arm. So, if you have to touch your elbow to your knee, touch your elbow to your knee. To get the opposite arm to the opposite leg.
Okay, high knees, let's go.
On the way back. Now you're running, we're trying to get opposite elbow.
Ow.
That's the best.
Next.
Okay.
Go get it, don't worry.
High
Same
knees.
hole, door,
Good.
Yeah, do it faster.
High knees, go ahead. Just stand on your run, please, ladies.
Girls, listen to me. Holding the rope. Another example of holding the rope is hitting every single box. You just give a box.
Good job.
Drop the rope.
You're only cheating yourself if you miss it.
No, you're cheating the team.
Okay, you're only cheating the team.
Only cheating the team.
Good
Cheating
job,
yourself and
Good
the
job,
team.
Olivia.
Okay, run.
Run through it.
Further. Go further left.
Hey, girls. Girls. Ready? Look at my arms right now.
I had a bunch of...
Girls, look at my arms. When I run, does not look as good as pumping my legs.
Go. Yeah.
Good hustle.
1 foot for each box.
Good.
Got 2 feet in each box with another run.
Good job.
All right, now high knees, sideways.
Sideways, high knee. Now lead leg. The lead leg has got to go first.
Go.
Good, Holly. Lead leg.
Go.
Excellent, Jordan.
Do your arms short.
Good, Ryan. Lead leg. Good job.
High knees.
Good. Thanks, Christina.
You're only cheating the team.
Excellent, Bella. Good, Sophia. Good, Olivia.
Guys, look at me, please. Jackie.
Ladies.
Ladies, look. I want to show you high knees. Show me, please.
And girls, if I pull this and I lose this and I start skipping boxes, go slower if you need to. It's okay to go slow right now. Don't have to rush yourself. I want you to hit every box.
Jackie, show high knees, please. Okay, let's go this way.
Fast.
Go.
Going to the ladder.
Knees up. Go. Good. Good.
Yep, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Go.
Good job, Jordan.
Perfect. Just take your time.
Go.
Take your time. Try to go fast the first time.
Go.
Right? Take your time, Olivia.
Olivia, you're crossing
Come
your
here,
feet.
Olivia, come here.
Go.
Go ahead.
Go.
Mine's 14.
High knees.
Someone in our classes
Good.
Someone?
Good, Olivia.
Good job.
There you go.
High fives.
Wow.
High fives.
Nick, the shuffle. Let's
Every one of these girls here learns how to do rope ladder.
Go.
Oh, no,
They're
no.
fast. They're fast.
They're getting faster. If you need help or want to go slow, give me in. With me.
I'm pretty fast.
I'll take you through it. Fix the ladder. Some teammate pull it. Pick her up. Snaps. Christina, come here. You're doing great. Bella, come here. Or no, Bella, you got it. Nice show, girl. So, it's ready? 1, 2, 3. Now you all watch, because you guys can do better at this. 1, 2, 3. You guys can start following me. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 is wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong. 1, 2, 3. In, out. In, out. Good. Good. Now, for you girls who want to go fast, you ready to see it?
Keep our body inside, right?
And keeping your body inside the ladder. So watch, this is wrong. You gotta keep your body inside the ladder.
Whoa, damn.
Pump your arms.
Nice job, Caitlin.
Nice job, Ryan.
Good
job, kiddo.
Good job.
Why can't I do it this time?
Nice job.
Nice job.
Yeah, Mark, practice Saturday on the field, right?
Yeah.
That happens sometimes.
Outdoor practice.
Yeah, what?
Great, Christina. Christina.
All right, guys.
Because guess what? Soon you guys will do backwards sticky shuffles.
Oh.
Not tonight. Those are coming soon.
Can we try that?
No, not tonight. Those are coming soon.
But we can do bunny hops.
I know, but we're out of time.
Perfect.